My people, how are they? And I know say I tell una say that this place now they like to stay. If I want do video, understand? Because if I go outside, at times they too dey bright. So now inside here now the day, if it will come cool for me. So see this leaf. This is mbubangara, garden egg leaf. They're good for pregnant women. If you don't buy them like this, you use salt to wash them. If you use salt to wash them very well, you eat it. They give blood. You understand? They give blood. Pass the one where you say you go buy blood tonic. When you don't buy blood tonic, you go they drink. You understand? Still buy blood tonic is good though. But you know, say when you are pregnant, if you go to antenatal, and all these things, now they go to request for you. Say make you they eat. So now I can't go market. As I go market, now I can't see them. I can't like them. I can't say I must buy them. This one, you know, say, first way they village. And all these things that you will eat. Even these sticks, if it makes sense. I don't wash them very well with salt. You know what I want to talk? So it makes sense. That is why some of my followers always say, Joy, you don't already become village girl. Local girl. No problem. Me, local girl. Because of saying, I need to do plastic video. Because I do real. Okay. You know why I chop this thing like this? So that people eat the pepper. Eat the pepper them well. So I'll come out for a video. I would paint them. But if that person not go inside, that person not doing real self. Now go back at the top. If one chop can join me. Go eat. You go eat. Where your head dey safe, where your leg dey. Because I don't even know where your leg dey. You go eat. Don't worry, make I eat for you so that you go eat am inside belly. Pregnancy wahala. If una wife get belly, you can buy this leaf for her. She go like am, even though she don't like am. It is good for pregnant woman. When your wife won't go deliver, na that time you go hear one. Maybe they go tell and say make him go check all the whole test, both blood, whatever. If you go check and it happens that the blood on the short, yeah, no way. But if the blood is okay, they chop all these blood things, they chop meat, all this strong, all this strong bone, as in bone. They chop a lot of things. Afano. Why your wife will take lack blood now? You look am very well. Call me names. That name now I want. I don't finish am. So. Not finish.